Hi, you are welcome to another Windows tip tutorials, and in this video we are going to learn how to create our own keyboard shortcuts to open our personal files on our computer system. Now this tip is very handy and can really help you to open your files very quickly on the computer. So let's jump right in and see how this can be done on our computer. Now I'm going to open my File Explorer. This is my File Explorer window, and I have some files saved in my music folder, and these are my files, which are access file, word file, publisher file, and also an Excel file. Now I want to open these files using a keyboard shortcut. We are going to assign a keyboard shortcut to these files so that when we turn on our PC and hold the keyboard shortcut, this is going to open the file on the computer system without navigating through the File Explorer to open these files. So let's see how to do this. Now we have to create a duplicate of this file by creating a shortcut icon on the desktop, and you can do this in two ways. You can right click on the file, then you choose create shortcut, and you are going to have a duplicate of this, which is going to be a shortcut of this original file. Then we cut this by right clicking, then you choose cut, you move to the desktop, right click and choose paste. Now we have this shortcut icon on our desktop. Another way to create the shortcut icon of the file is to right click on the file. In these options you select send to, then you have this side menu and you can choose desktop create shortcut. Now when I move to the desktop, you can see I also have this Excel file, which is a shortcut icon. Now that we have these files created as a shortcut icon on the desktop, then we can assign our keyboard shortcut to these files. So I am going to start with the Word file. So you select the Word file, right click, and in these options we are going to select properties. We are going to have this window. Another way to get this properties is to select the file and use the keyboard shortcut Alt plus Enter, and this is going to give you the properties window of this file. Now in this window we have this shortcut key and we have none in this field. To have an assigned keyboard shortcut to this file, you just select and type any letter on the keyboard, and I'm going to type Z, and this will automatically generate this shortcut Ctrl plus Alt plus Z. Then you click on apply and click on OK. Now if I hold this keyboard shortcut on my keyboard, this will open this file on the desktop, and this is going to open the file on my computer system. And you can see that we have assigned a shortcut key to this file, and we just use that to open this file on our desktop. So this is the Word file. Let's apply that to this Excel file. So you select the Excel file, hold the Alt key and the Enter key, you get this window, and we have no shortcut key assigned to this Excel file. So we select, and I'm going to type U on the keyboard. Then we have this shortcut Ctrl Alt plus U. Click on apply and click on OK. Now if I hold Ctrl Alt U on the keyboard, this will open this file, and you can see that we have opened this Excel file using our keyboard shortcut. So this Windows tip is very handy, and as a computer user who normally works with files and folders, you have to have this tip on your daily tasks when you are using the computer. So this is how to operate this tasks using the keyboard shortcut. Hope this video was helpful. Please give it a like, and would like to see your comments, and see you in the next video.